F.H.Brundle started in the late 1800s, and it's a family business still, with Mike Brundle being the fifth generation that's managed the company. It was a wholesale company. We'd sell metalwork products to the trade, and it's just grown from that. We'd made the decision to use SolidWorks for our main CAD software in the office. And one day, the rep just mentioned that there was something called DriveWorks, and as soon as he mentioned it to me, I could instantly see the possibilities that could be applied to our company. We sell thousands, tens of thousands of parts, but configuring them and putting them together, and what we could do with DriveWorks, the potential just was a light bulb moment in my brain. We could create something that A, would help our own company by making life easier for all our sales staff, and B, would be invaluable to our customers. It would save them so much time. They could get a quote any time of the day or night on any day of the year. Within a few minutes, they would get a set of drawings, technical drawings, with all the information that they needed to be able to build or install our products. And they would get them free in a few minutes. It would take days of work to produce that otherwise.
The first product was a stainless steel glass and balustrade system. So it was a standard post, but you could add different handrail caps in the top. You could have different ends on your handrail, you could have different tops on your posts, you could have different finishes, different thicknesses of glass. It was aimed at our customer base that we already had. We wanted to make their life easy so that they didn't have to spend hours and hours doing quotes. They don't generally have people who can do CAD drawings, so we could then provide them with a professional set of CAD drawings that they could then show to their customer.
I know our customers are so appreciative of what they can do now by coming to us and using Life Configurator. It means that we can speed up the turnaround with our products, so very often people can have them within a day or a couple of days if nothing bespoke has to be made. We can, because we've got DriveWorks, if we have bespoke parts to do, we know the size of all the bespoke parts, so we can make them easily. So I can't overstate how beneficial it is for both our customers and ourselves as a company.